Teeth can be straightened at any age. Until the 1980s, a steel band went around each individual tooth like a ring. The wire that pulled the teeth into line was attached to a little bracket that was on the front of the steel bands. You may remember what this looked like, a mouthful of metal. Fortunately, today we've replaced these bands with brackets that are bonded with an adhesive right to the front of the teeth. They're much more comfortable, much smaller in size, and much less noticeable. Clear sapphire brackets are also available, but they're usually more expensive and tougher to keep clean. A stainless steel or nickel titanium wire still connects the brackets, and different sizes provide the pressure to move the teeth. Elastics hold the wire in place. Special elastic bands may be added to speed up teeth movement. Different wires and attachments are used in difficult cases. In this case, we're bringing an eye tooth down into place. It's pretty amazing how far teeth can move through bone. Your bone responds to the tension created by these brackets and wires by making special cells on each side of a tooth. These cells remove bone on one side of the tooth and make bone on the opposite side. That's what allows the tooth to move. It's harder to clean your teeth once braces are on, so regular cleaning appointments are more important than ever. Permanent white stains may form on teeth if plaque isn't regularly removed. After treatment, retainers are used to hold the teeth in their new alignment. Some retainers are designed to be removable, while others are cemented in place. It's nice to know that through orthodontic treatment, you're never too old to improve the health of your mouth and have a beautiful smile.